Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's videos I'm going to show you on how to set the date and the time of your D20 smartwatch. Let's go. Alright guys, welcome back to our channel again. This is Josh here, and for today I'm going to show you on how to set the date and the time of your D20 smartwatch. Alright guys, so if you have Android, so just kindly go to Play Store, and then if you have the iPhone, just go to App Store. So all you have to do is just go to Play Store and click on Fit Pro. And then in our case guys, so we have already downloaded our Fit Pro application, so it will look like this one guys here. This one. So all you have to do is just click Fit Pro. Okay, as you can see guys, in our smartwatch it is still 6:51 p.m. but in our real time now it is still 2:21 p.m. Alright, so all you have to do is open our application, and guys, when you first open the application, you really have to make sure that you allowed everything. Alright, so now guys, kindly go to Sets and then click on Bind. Then just Bind Device. Click on it and look for the D20 smartwatch. So, okay guys, so we've got 3 smartwatches. So all we have to do is just click the LH179. Alright guys, so as you can see, it is already completed, and then synchronized data is complete. And as you can see guys, in our D20 smartwatch, the chain is on top of the time. So it has also the orange icon there, so it means that it is already bound. So let's try to check if it is successfully connected. So all you just have to do is go to the set and click on the Find. Alright, so as you can see, it's said in our smartwatch looking for, and voila, and then the time is already set. So it is already 2:25 p.m. in both our smartwatch and also our smartphone. Alright guys, so that's how easy it is. And then if you're really asking if you can connect this one without your smartwatch, without your smartphone, I'm sorry to say, but you really need to have your smartphone application, which is the Fit Pro, for you to set that time and also for you to enjoy the features that it has. Alright. Okay guys, that's all for today's video. And then if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I'll see you soon.